Before it gets too cold out there, we got one more that you might love. If you like jungle birds, you're going to fall in love with this one. It's called the Kentucky Bird. 2 dashes of saline. A 1/4 ounce of OLEO SACCHARUM. 1/2 ounce of a passion fruit syrup. 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1.5 ounce pineapple juice. 3/4 ounce CAMPARI. 1.5 ounce bourbon. For garnish, a couple pineapple fronds. There you have it, the Kentucky Bird. Cheers. Pineapple forward for sure. For some reason, I kind of get like an orgeat feeling to it, but it's not there. Maybe it's coming from the bourbon, but it's really good. It's pineapple, passion fruit, CAMPARI, bourbon. Very delicious. You get a strong punch of citrus from that OLEO SACCHARUM. I really enjoy this one. You want to try it?
Sure. It tastes really good. I like it. Yeah, I definitely get bourbon. The CAMPARI definitely comes through though, so I'm not a big fan of CAMPARI, but it's not overly bitter because the passion fruit kind of tones it down. So I like it. It's different.
Like seriously, jungle birds and jungle bird riffs are where you're gonna find that place for CAMPARI, where you're gonna be like, I don't understand why people have it, but now I get it. Jungle birds are where you want to start if you're trying to figure out what to do with that bottle of CAMPARI that you haven't used because you didn't know why you bought it.
3, it does have its purpose in some tiki drinks, and it's not overpowering. How much CAMPARI did you put in this?
It was a lot. It was 3/4 of an ounce.
3/4?
Yeah, it's 3/4 of an ounce of CAMPARI. That's a lot of CAMPARI.
Yeah, the passion fruit's really toning it down. So I like the wild turkey too. It's different. I mean, it's like a good bourbon.
Yeah. If you guys love jungle birds and you're looking for something a little bit different, give the Kentucky Bird a try. Cheers.